Hi all. Today I'm gonna start with the next problem of NPO. So let us see the question. So here is the question of NPO. That is, in this question he has given us receipts and payments account of healthcare hospital, and from this receipts and payments account we have to create income and expenditure account and also balance sheet. So before understanding the receipts and payments, we will first understand the additional information of this year, that is 31/3/2009. So for 2009 we are creating income and expenditure account and balance sheet with additional information. So see the additional information. In the additional information, the first point is talking about subscription. So subscription is an income to us. There is an opening amount of subscription 100 and the closing amount of subscription, that is 200. It is nothing but outstanding subscription at the beginning of the year and outstanding subscription at the end of the year. So wherever we find subscription, we will put a star mark. So there is a subscription on the receipt side. I have put a star mark there. In the second point, we have stock of medicines. So the opening stock of medicine is 800 and the closing stock of medicine is 600. So the opening value is 800 and the closing value is 600 of medicines. So there is a payment for medicines given on the payment side. So we will put the star mark here. Next we have value of equipment. So the value of equipment is an asset. The opening value of equipment is 1600 and the closing value of equipment is 2100. For this equipment, there is also an point given on the payment side. We will put a star mark there. Next we have value of buildings. The opening value of building is 8000 and the closing value of building is 7200. Building is an asset, so we will make a point of this building on the asset side of the balance sheet. If we find any loss or income from all this additional information, it is to be noted in the income and expenditure account. So now let us move to the receipts and payments account. We will first understand the payment side. On the payment side, the first point is talking about paid for medicine. So this is to be written on the expenditure side. So this is an expenses to us. And then we have salaries. Salaries is also an expenditure. Sundry expenses, expenses. Equipment is an asset. So we will write the value of equipment on the asset side, and if we get any profit or loss, that is to be written on the income and expenditure account. Then we have charity show. There is an expenditure on charity show of 80 rupees. Honorarium is again an expenditure. And there is balance carried down. This is nothing but the closing balance of cash of rupees 360, which is to be written on the asset side of balance sheet. Now let us move to the receipt side. On the receipt side, we have opening balance of cash of 560 rupees. This comes under opening balance sheet, under cash, under assets. Then to subscription is given. Subscription is an income to us and there is an adjustment for this subscription. This subscription is to be written on the income side. Donations. There is a point given for donation, that is donations are to be capitalized. So we will capitalize the amount of donations. Next we have charity show. This charity show is again an income to us, so we will write it on the income side of our income and expenditure account. Now we will solve the solution. Yes. Before starting the solution, we have to first understand whether we have capital fund or not. We don't have any capital fund, general fund or accumulated fund. So we have to find out the capital fund, that is nothing but by opening balance sheet. So I have drawn a format for opening balance sheet. So balance sheet as on 31/3/2008 or else 1/4/2008. So what all amount are there related to the opening balance sheet are to be written here. So we have opening cash amount. So I will write the cash on the asset side of 560 rupees. Next we have 4 points which are related to the opening balance sheet, that is subscription of 100. So there is outstanding subscription of 800. Then we have stock of medicines. So here I will write stock of medicines. So the opening stock of medicines is 800. And then I have value of equipment. Value of equipment is again an asset to us. So the opening value of equipment is 1600. And again I have building. Building is also an asset to us. So the value of building at the beginning is 8000. Yes, that's it. We just have this 4 points and this cash amount. There is nothing else given related to 1/4/2008. So we will just total it and find out the capital fund. The total of capital fund is 11,060 rupees. This 11,060 is nothing but capital fund or accumulated fund of 11,060. Now let us move to the income and expenditure account. We will write all the amount of payment side towards expenditure. So here I will write to stock of medicines. So the opening stock of medicine is 800 and they paid for medicines 2,400. So paid is 2,400. To this we will add opening stock of medicines, and the opening stock of medicine is 800. If we add, we are getting 2,400 plus 800 is 3,200, and from this I will deduct closing stock of medicines. The amount of closing stock of medicine is 600, so I will deduct 600 from 3,200, so I will get 2,600. So the amount of medicine is 2,600. So for every adjustment we have to make dual effect, for which for this point we have already made one effect, that is on the opening stock of medicine 800, that is in the opening balance sheet. Now I have to make an adjustment of dual effect of this closing stock of medicine in the closing balance sheet. So here is the closing balance sheet. Here on the asset side I will write stock of medicine, and the closing stock of medicine amount is 600. So here I will write 600. Now let us see the next point. Next point is salary. There is no adjustment for this, so we will directly write 2 salaries. The amount of salary is 2,200, so here I will write 2,200. Next is sundry expenses 40. There is again no adjustment for sundry expenses, so I will directly write the amount of sundry expenses 40 rupees. Next is an equipment. For this equipment we will write a working note. So we will write a working note after the closing balance sheet. Here I am writing about equipment. So the opening amount of equipment or opening value of equipment is rupees. Opening value of equipment is 1600. So here I am writing opening value as 1600. To this I will add purchase of equipment. There is a purchase of equipment, so add purchase of equipment of 1200, so I am getting 2800. Then less closing value or closing amount of equipment is closing value of equipment is 2100. This is opening value, this is closing value, and we have also purchased an equipment of 1200. So this 2100 I will deduct and I'll get a value of 700. This 700 is the value of equipment. You can have a look for this. So the opening amount of equipment is 1600. We have purchased an equipment of 1200, so we got 2800. From this we will deduct 2100, and now we are getting 700. This 700 we will write it on the debit side of our income and expenditure account. Now, let us move to the next point. The next point is talking about charity show. Before moving to charity show, I will make a dual effect of all this point first about equipment. So opening amount of equipment I have already written, that is of 1600 in my opening value of equipment, that is 1600. Now this 2100 rupees I will write it in the closing value, that is closing balance sheet, and this 700 I will write it on the debit side. So here I will write to loss of equipment 700 and then I will write in the closing balance sheet here, that is value of equipment, or else we can write directly equipment here, that is 2100. So we have made an adjustment, dual effect of all the points related to equipment. This point I have written it in the opening balance sheet, then 2100 I have written on the asset side of the closing balance sheet, and 700 on the debit side of income and expenditure account. The next point is talking about charity show. Charity show is, as it is given on the payment side, it is an expenditure to us. So here I will write to charity show 80 rupees. Next we have honorarium. Honorarium also an expenditure. So to honorarium amount is 800. So here I will write 800. Next, this is the closing cash amount of 360, which we will write on the asset side. So in the asset side here I am writing cash as 360 as it is an asset. Next we will move to the receipt side, and we have opening balance of cash. We have already wrote this. And then we have subscription. Subscription on the income side, here I will write by subscription. The amount of subscription given is 4560. We have adjustment for this. As I have put star mark for this. So the adjustment is subscription at the beginning and subscription at the end. So in my previous video we have discussed about subscription. So as per discussion, add outstanding subscription at the end. So at the end the outstanding subscription is 200 and the total is 4760. Then deduct outstanding subscription at the beginning. The value for subscription at the beginning is 100. This is to be deducted. So we will get 4660 as the amount of subscription. Next we have donations. Donations is to be capitalized. So on the liability side I will write donations and the value of donations is 1160. Next we have charity show. Charity show, as it is given on the receipt side, so there is an income from charity show and we will write it on the income side. By charity show, amount is rupees 800. So here I am writing 800. Now we have discussed about all the points related to receipts and payments. We have wrote subscription amount. For stock of medicines, the opening stock is 800, the closing stock is 600. So we have made a dual effect of this. Then the value of equipment also we wrote. There is one more point, that is value of building. The opening value of building, we will write a working note for building also. So the opening value of building is 8,000. From this we will deduct closing value of building, that is 7,200. So there is a loss of 800, and this loss we will write on the debit side of income and expenditure account, because debit all expenses and losses. So here on the debit side I will write to loss on building, that is to loss on building. How much we got? We got 800 rupees. So this is the balance sheet, opening balance sheet and income and expenditure. You can once have a look to this and we will see whether we got deficit or surplus. Yes, so we will total it now, and the total of debit side is 2,600 plus 2,200 plus 40 . 7,220, and the total of credit side is 5,460. So the credit side is less. This means the income is less compared to our expenses. So we have a deficit. So by deficit of 1,760. So there is a deficit of 1,760. Now in the closing balance sheet I will write capital fund, and the amount of capital fund we got is 11,060. To this we will deduct deficit of 1,760. So 11,060 minus 1,760 is giving us 9,300. So now let us see whether our balance sheet is tallying or not. We have missed one point, that is value of building. We have wrote opening value of building, but we did not write the closing value of building. So here I will write closing value of building, that is 7,200, and also the subscription amount. So the outstanding subscription is, the amount of outstanding subscription is at the end is 200. So here I will write 200. So we have covered all the points: stock of medicine, value, cash, building, outstanding subscription. So now let us see. And the total on both the side is 10,460. So this is the total of the balance sheet. So our balance sheet is tallying. You can have a look on the closing and opening balance sheet. This is an opening balance sheet and also income and expenditure account. We got a deficit of 1760. And this is the closing balance sheet with working note. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.